First at 6, the latest appeal of the Alex Murdaugh murder conviction will now be decided by the South Carolina Supreme Court.
And one legal expert says it could be his best chance to get a new trial. Webb Wright spoke with former State Attorney General Charlie Condon about this latest filing. Webb?
Well, this 132-page brief certainly looks like a last stand of sorts for the Murdaugh defense team, a combined appeal that will likely take many months before a decision is made.
Our Supreme Court decided to consolidate both appeals, both the appeal from the murder conviction and the appeal from Justice Toll's denial of a new trial based upon jury tampering.
A double-barreled defense brief that Murdaugh's defense team hopes lands him a new trial.
They allege that the tampering by the former clerk of court amounts to an unconstitutional denial of the defendant's right to fair trial. We had really weeks and weeks of testimony about financial crimes, and the defense is saying that it's improper, that to have all that information about financial crimes, to allow that to prove a speculative motive, they say, results in denial of a fair trial.
As the process continues, Condon says don't expect a decision anytime soon.
The state puts in their responsive brief. You have a 30-day deadline for that. I have to imagine with the holidays they'll seek an extension of that. At some point in time, the Supreme Court will set oral arguments. That should occur, I would expect, 3-6 months from now.
And Condon says the whole process could take a year.
There's 132 pages of arguments in there, and they've focused in on every possible issue that I could think they could have raised, and I think there are in total maybe 6 or 7 issues. But the main ones I do think appear to be the jury tampering and the introduction of the financial crimes.
In the end, whether the appeal is granted or not, there may be a different strategy for Murdaugh in all of this.
He's going to be incarcerated any way you look at this, either in state or federal court for the financial crimes anyway. But I do think from his energy or what he worries about or what he doesn't want to be known for are these murders. And so I do think that if he doesn't want to be known for these murders, this in fact is going to be his best shot for avoiding conviction.
Now, while Condon says he thinks this appeal is Murdaugh's best shot at a new trial, he says Murdaugh still has other avenues of appeal if this filing is not granted. Working for you, Webb Wright, News 4.